I removed my baby's videos because social media has a lot of bullies, and I regret posting her. Basically, I regret posting her, and I will never post her ever again on social media. So yeah, that's why I removed her videos and pictures. It's okay when they bully me. It's fine. I don't care. But like whoa, yo ha. But I don't care like when they bully me, when they come for me. I have a thick skin, but and I don't want her to grow up and then I want easy to like people message you on social media. I want to break her. So yeah, I removed her videos and pictures because I'm trying to protect her.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So I came across this video of Zesthembu on TikTok. For those who like TikTok, I think you might know Zesthembu. Zesthembu Fortune's baby mama. She was basically talking about the social media bullying, that people even go to an extent of bullying kids, which is very bad. So Tirelo is one of the people who commented under that video. I'll just go ahead and insert her comment here. She basically said that I'm sorry mama, I needed to hear this. She's also one person who has a child who's been bullied on social media. Honestly, I wonder ukuthi umuntu uyabecabangani ma ebhala i-comment ebhedayo ngengane encane. Yeah, it's very inhuman. That's what I can say. But anyways, I just hope people could stop bullying kids, because why are you bullying kids? It doesn't make sense. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.